So in this PPT we will be seeing about prokaryotic chromosome. Chromosome and prokaryotes. The DNA molecules of prokaryotes are organized into negatively supercoiled domains. Most viruses and prokaryotes have single set of genes stored in single chromosome which contains a single molecule of nucleic acid. Prokaryotes are monoploid and are part of the nucleoids. What is a gene? A segment of DNA which codes for protein is called a gene. Each gene has two alleles present on the same loci in homologous chromosome. Thousands of genes are present in a eukaryotic cell which are divided among the chromosomes. Thus, chromosomes act as vehicle for gene, that is the DNA. The prokaryotic chromosome. They are composed of DNA and associated proteins. Viral genomic DNA may be associated with capsid proteins. Prokaryote DNA is associated with protein in a nucleoid. The present in prokaryotic chromosomes are they are single chromosomes plus plasmids. They are circular chromosome made only of DNA. They are found in cytoplasm. It copies its chromosome and divides immediately afterwards. For example, the bacterial chromosome must be tightly packed to fit into the small volume of the bacterial cell. The contour length of the circular DNA molecule present in the chromosome of the bacterium Escherichia coli is about 1500 μm. Because an E. coli cell has diameter of only 1 to 2 μm, the large DNA molecule must exist in a highly condensed, fold or coiled configuration. Compacting the DNA involves supercoiling or further twisting the twisted chromosome. The chromosomes 50 or so DNA are held together by a scaffold of RNA and protein, and the entire nucleoid is attached to the cell membrane. This membrane attachment aids in the segregation of these chromosomes after they replicate in preparation of cell division. Bacteria lack the histone proteins that are found bound to the DNA and that forms the nucleosomes of eukaryotic chromosome. They are single-celled organisms that lack membrane-bound organelles, including a nucleus, that is called a prokaryotic chromosome. DNA in prokaryotes is in the form of single double-stranded loop as opposed to linear eukaryotic chromosomes. These naked loops of DNA attach to the inner membrane of the prokaryote. There are so small free-floating loops of DNA called plasmids. This diagram clearly shows about the prokaryotic chromosome. The term prokaryote means primitive nucleus. Cell in the prokaryotes have no nucleus. The prokaryotic chromosome is dispersed within the cell and is not enclosed by a separate membrane. Much of the information about the structure of DNA has come from the studies of prokaryotes because they are less complex genetically and biochemically than eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are monoploid, which means that they have only one set of genes, one copy of genome. In most viruses and prokaryotes, a single set of genes is stored in single chromosome, that is, single molecule of either RNA or DNA. The smallest known RNA viruses have only 3 genes. The smallest known DNA viruses have 9 to 11 genes. Thank you.